In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to use Meta AI in 5 minutes, and at the end of this video you are going to learn how to generate scripts and images using the Meta AI. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to search for the Meta AI. So immediately you search for it, this is the website for the Meta AI. So next we are going to sign in our Facebook account to the Meta AI to access some settings on the Meta AI. So I'm just going to sign in. So if you want to access the settings on the Meta AI, just click on your Facebook profile here, then go to settings. So now on the settings, this is where you can be able to change the theme of the Meta AI. If you want to change it to a dark theme or leave it on white theme, this is where you can access it. And on the download information, this is where you can download all what you have researched on the Meta AI. And on the delete information, you can delete all what you have researched and delete the history, because as you make research, it will be saving it on the history. So if you want to delete everything, just click on delete information, and if you want to download it, click on download information. So first on our list, we are going to be testing out the ability to generate scripts with the Meta AI. So what you need to do, if you want to research anything, you need to instruct it on what to generate. So now I have one here that says generate a script on YouTube growth and monetization. So let's test it out. So now as you can see, it has generated scripts on YouTube growth and monetization, and with this you can use it to create content for your YouTube channel. And also if you need more details, you can just instruct it to add in more details. So let's test out the second question here. The second question says enumerate and explain the requirements for insurance policy. So let's test it out. So as you can see, it has listed out all the insurance policy requirements. So if you are satisfied with the clip and you want to copy it, just click on the copy icon here, click on it, and it automatically copy, and you can paste it on your Microsoft Word and save it. So next we'll be testing out the ability to translate different languages. So I have this word in Spanish. I'm going to be testing it out. So I'm just going to paste in this word in Spanish. So now as you can see, it has already explained what that word means in Spanish. That word means hello in Spanish. So you can use the Meta AI to translate any word you don't understand in other languages into English language, and you can also use it for clients and other things you want to research in other languages. So next we'll be testing out the ability to write a good proposal. So if you want it to write a good proposal, you need to instruct it and tell it what you need and the things it should include in that proposal. So let's read this script here. It says write a proposal on media equipment and using the details below. So I'm just going to copy out all the details and paste it for it to write a good proposal. So immediately I just click on enter. So now as you can see, it has already generated a good proposal you can use for your business. So it says here is a proposal for a mega church setup based on the provided details. So next we'll be testing out the ability to generate images on the Meta AI. So now if you want to generate images on the Meta AI, just click on imagine. Immediately you click on imagine, what you need to do is to describe what you want Meta AI to generate for you. So I'm going to instruct it to generate a plate of Nigeria jollof, and immediately you're done, click on send. So now as you can see, it has generated a clean images of Nigeria jollof. So if you want to animate it, what you need to do is to click on the animate button. So now as you can see, it has animated it. So if you want to download it, just go to the first image here, click on it, and you will see download. Immediately you click on download, it's automatically download and save to your system. So now this is the animated video. So if you want to download the picture version, you just go back to the first image generated and click on the three dot icon here, and you will see the download button. Click on download and it automatically download and save to your system. You can try out all these features in the Meta AI and it will give you a good result. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any issue, drop it down on the comments below. My name is Ebenezer from Usa Studio. Thank you for watching this video.